Hey guys, just a quick example on how you need to share a Google Doc. If I ask you in Canvas to prepare a Google Doc or complete your assignment in Google Doc or Google Slides, either or, you would go to your launch point, you would click to your Google, or you can go straight to Google however you've been doing it in the past. You should be familiar with using Google. You'll put together either your Google Doc or your Google slide. In this case, I'm showing you what I've been putting together this week. We have to document everything that we're actually doing. So part of my documentation would actually be putting together videos for help for students. So basically, I put this together, and of course, this will work in progress. That's a good thing about Google Docs and Google Slides is it continually saves for you. Just always check up there to see that they've been saved. The last edit was 5 minutes ago, so make sure it's always saying that, because if you have a glitch in the Wi-Fi, it may take a little longer to save, and you don't want to lose what you put in there if you log out too quickly. Usually it'll give you a warning, but not always, so just always kind of hover over that just to see that it says all changes have been saved. Once you're ready to send it to me, you click in the top right corner, share. Anyone with a Hall County or hallco.org can view, see, you can change how that works, if they can edit, if they can see. Most students just leave it alone. They don't ever bother with that. And you can copy the link and send the link to me in an email, or what students prefer is to simply type in the name. Remember, I'm V Elizabeth, and typically if you start typing the VELIZ, guess who pops up? It's me. You click on it, and once you click on, you hit send at the bottom. It sends it, it shares it to my Google Drive automatically, and then of course it's going to share it to my email. This is, hey, you've got something from Google. So I know, and it even puts your name. So easy peasy, just to help, quick little video. And of course this is how we did vocabulary, any kind of summaries, send it in a Google Doc. Talk to you later.